Napaka-high-tech ng hotel ko. Papakita ko sa inyo. Wow. Narinig niyo yun? Ang galing! Komportable, malinis, at higit sa lahat, very convenient. Ito ang Citizen M Taipei Northgate Hotel. This 4-star hotel in Taipei is located sa Zhonghua Road in Zhongzheng District. 4 minutes lang na paglalakad from Beimen Station. Very modern kasi magse-self-check-in ka lang, which is very easy to do. Masarap din yung breakfast nila. It's a mix of Asian plus Western food choices. At yung bar ng Citizen M ay very inviting because of its refreshing booze and mocktails. Ito naman yung standard double room with the city view na binook namin via Klook. Merong full body mirror na makikita mo yung buong OOTD mo. Merong mga hangers, safe. Katabi naman niya ay ang sink. Tapos may refrigerator na may free water. Ay meron ding hair dryer. And of course, the bed. Sobrang komportable. Natulog na rin ako dyan. Meron silang iPad kung saan nako-control mo yung mga features ng room. Halimbawa, ito. Blackout blinds. Wow! Amazing! Pwede mo rin i-on at i-off ang aircon. Wow! Narinig niyo yun? May ambient music! Ang galing! Pwede ka ring mag-alarm. Ito ang CR. Very malinis. Ang kanilang shower. Very sustainable din ang Citizen M dahil hindi sila gumagamit ng single-use plastics para sa kanilang mga shower gels and kanilang shampoo. Wala rin ditong single-use toothbrushes. So, very environment-friendly talaga. Malinis, komportable, and very modern. Yan ang Citizen M Taipei Northgate Hotel.